Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at home. As you know, we have already done the zero concept. Now, today we will discuss or we will do the topic of comparison of numbers. There are three symbols to represent the comparison of numbers. The first symbol is greater than. The second symbol is less than, and third one is equal to. We will use to compare the numbers. These symbols are used to compare the numbers. So, the first example is related to greater than. Look at this hungry big fish. It is very hungry. So its mouth is open wide. It has 4 fish on one side and 2 on the other. But the big fish opens his mouth to eat the greater number of fish. So it goes for the 4 fish with its open wide mouth like this. So we write here 4 is greater than 2 and read it as 4 is greater than 2. So we'll use this symbol here. Now next one is less than. The fish turns away from the smaller number of fish. The numbers are 1 and 3. So we write here 1 is smaller than 3 or less than 3. So we use this symbol here. Next example is related to equal to. You can see here both the fishes are same. There are 5 fishes. So the fish is not sure which one to eat now, because there are same fishes on the both sides. To show the equal, we use the sign of equal to. We do exercise 2. Look here. Some pictures of bicycles are given here. On the one side, 3 bicycles are given here. On the another side, 4 bicycles are given here. Now can you tell me which one is greater? Now yes, 4 is greater than 3. So we put the sign like this. Now put the sign like this in your box. Now look here. In another picture, pencils are given here. First we will count the pencils. On the both sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pencils are given here. Both the pencils are same. So, we will put the sign equal to like this. Now come to next. There are mangoes are given here. On the one side, 3 mangoes are there. On the another side, 9 mangoes are there. Now can you tell me which one are more? Yes, 9 is greater than 3. So we put the sign like this. Now count the tigers. On the one side, 4 tigers are given here, and on the another side, 2 tigers are given here. So again, 4 is greater than 2. So we put the sign like this. Now can you tell me how many kites are there? Yes, on the both sides there are 4 kites. Now we put the sign here equal to, because the kites are same on the both sides. Now look here. There are birds are given here. On the one side, how many birds are given here? 5. And on the another side, 8 birds are given here. So which one is greater? Yes, 8 is greater than 5. So we put the sign like this. So here delicious ice creams are there. So on the one side 8 ice creams are there. On the another side 5 ice creams are there. So which one is more? 8 is greater than 5. So we put the sign like this. Now your favorite candies are there. There are 5 candies and on another side 9 candies are there. Now you better know which one is more. Yes, 9 candies. So put the greater sign towards the 9. So like this you have completed this exercise. Now come to next exercise. This is comparison on the number line. So the number closer to 0 is smaller. As we move from 0 towards right, the numbers become greater. जो जो नंबर 0 के पास होते हैं वो स्मॉल होते हैं और जो 0 से दूर दूर होते जाते हैं वो ग्रेटर होते जाते हैं. Now with the help of number line we will put the signs in the boxes. So look at the questions. Now our first question is 6 and 1 is given here. So 1 is closer to 0 and 6 is far than 0. So we put the sign 1 is smaller than 6. We put the sign like this. Now look at the next question. 3 and 5 is given here. So on the number line 3 is nearby the 0 and the distance between 0 and 5 is more. So 3 is smaller than 5. So we put the sign like this. 5 is greater than 3. Now look at next one. 9 and 3 is given here. So with the help of number line 3 is closer than 0 and 9 is between the distance of 0 and 9 is much more. So 9 is greater than 3. Like this we will solve all the questions. Now next question is 3 is more than 2. So we put the sign like this. Now again 7 and 4 is given here. 7 is greater than 4. So we put the sign like this. Now next one is 5 and 1 is given here. 1 is closer than 0. So 1 is smaller than 5. So we put the sign like this. Next, in the next 3 and 7 is here. So again which one is greater? Can you tell me? Yes, 7 is greater than 3. Now last one is 2 and 7 is there. So which one is greater? Again 7 is greater than 2. So we put the sign like this. Like this you have completed your exercise. Now keep practicing at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.